Hey, Sarge, I think we found the suspect here. Is your name, N828?
Yeah.
So you're the guy who, I think we're cool. You're the guy who, threatened, to do splits or something like that?
Threatened?
Is that you?
No, sir.
You go by the name of Nate, N828.
Yeah, that's me, though. Yeah. Yeah, definitely, that's me.
Okay, well, somebody said on the radio when I jumped in the cop car, which is probably your car, that you were in here threatening to do splits. I don't know what the split is, unless you're referring to something to do with DistroKid.
No.
Because I recall something about them saying that splits, there's some kind of new split system where if you're working with DistroKid, and we, for example, me and you collaborated on a song, and I was playing guitar and you were on the vocals, and somehow we decided we wanted to split the commission from this song, the money.
Yeah.
Then I would get some and you would get some. So my understanding is if you were threatening splits, my guess is it's not anything to do with you doing the physical splits. It's about you splitting the money. Is that correct? Not my wage.
Yes.
Don't try and take my wage.
No.
The cops, we've already lost control of half the city as it is. We don't need you coming around here doing splits if it's not what I'm thinking it is, okay?
No.
So I'm going to give you a warning on this one.
A warning? I mean, I guess a warning's okay.
Is that your song there?
Yeah, Won't Die. That's my song.
Oh, it is?
Yeah.
It's pretty cool.
Thanks.
Do you want to collaborate, maybe?
You play music?
I mean, I know I'm a cop.
Yeah, you are.
That doesn't stop me from playing the guitar.
No, it doesn't, I guess.
Okay, well, I wish you a good day then. So you carry on, and you do you, and I'll do me.
Yeah, okay, thank you.
Have a nice day.
Thank you too, sir. You too, officer. Have a good day.
Can't stray too far from this. Can't play guitar for Dang. That guy was making fun of me the whole time.
And my favorite, or one of my favorite compressors at the moment is the C4. You can use a C4 or a C6, either one. C4 works for me because it's got 4 bands of compression. And the way I like to use it on this vocal, I'll show you what it sounds like. Actually, I'll just disengage this and I'll show you the mix first. So I'll just hit play.
Low vibe, see what we be living like. Chasing dreams for what we want, but likelihood we ain't choosing right. Pile up sins, it's a YOLO. Once it's done, it's a no-no. Can't take it back, it's a no-go. Pack the bag, feeling low.
All right, so you can hear the balances there. It's not like it's bad or anything, but what I'm going to do is just go in here and do a full reset. So hit full reset. That's not the one. PA full default. There we go. And what I'm going to do is I use this threshold section here, and I just slowly bring down the threshold till it first starts hitting the middle channel. So around about the 128 to the 4K area. So more of the mids area. So I just get a bit of taming of the mids. So let's have a listen and see how it goes.
Low vibe, see what we be living like. Chasing dreams for what we want, but likelihood we ain't choosing right. Pile up sins, it's a YOLO. Once it's done, it's a no-no. Can't take it back, it's a no-go. Pack the bag, feeling low. But why is it so?
What I do at that point is once I've dragged it down, usually I try and go in increments of 10 dB or 5 dB, depending on how much I need. So you can see here I've got 15 on all of the channels here. And then what I'll do from this point forward is just hit play, and then I'll just mess around with the bands that are here. So this is why the C6 might work sometimes better on the vocals. C4 is just adequate for this one, so it's up to you what you want to use.
Low vibe, see what we be living like. Chasing dreams for what we want, but likelihood we ain't choosing right. Pile up sins, it's a YOLO.
So you can see it's not a whole lot of compression happening there, and I'll just go in bypass mode and then activate it.
Low vibe, see what we be living like. Chasing dreams for what we want, but likelihood we ain't choosing right. Pile up sins, it's a YOLO. Once it's done, it's a no-no. Can't take it back, it's a no-go. Pack the bag, feeling low. But why is it so? Rinse and repeat, like we ain't heard it, but we walking that street.
See, there you go. I've got minus 15 on the mid area, so the mid channel, and then I've got minus 20 on the highs. And I'm just kind of just taming them a little bit. So it just gives you a little bit of, I mean, this vocal is not terribly bad already. It's not like you have to do a whole lot. And if I look at the waveform as well, I'll just quickly have a look. So we're on this channel here, an 828 rap. So you can see that it's pretty balanced as it is. There's not, I mean, there are some peaks here. It's a little bit louder here, and then it goes a bit quieter. I'll just expand it a bit. So you can see some of the peaks here, just here and here. And then some of these here. So it's just really just taming a little bit of the vocal. It's just giving a bit of character. And then what I like to do after that is use Soothe. And Soothe is the bomb. You can do this before or after, whatever suits your vocal, but we'll just try it after. Have a listen.
Low vibe, see what we be living like. Chasing dreams for what we want, but likelihood we ain't choosing right. Pile up sins, it's a YOLO. Once it's done, it's a no-no. Can't take it back, it's a no-go. Pack the bag, feeling low.
So there you go. That's almost a vocal done, and it kind of sits really well in the mix now, and then I can just do other things in the mix to kind of work around it. Bear in mind, like I said, this vocal has already got processing as far as the delays and stuff like that, so I'm not talking about that part of it. I'm just referring to more of the balancing of the vocal, so the gain staging part of it. As you notice here, there's nothing on the master bus out either, so I'm just doing this all without any heavy compression. So it's really more, once you've got the gain stage done, then you get the vocal, and then you can do your effects like this to the vocal, and then work from there with delays, reverb, other stuff like that. But anyway, it's just what it is. I want to share this because these are one of the go-to, well, some of the go-tos, especially this multi-band. And Soothe pretty much hits every single thing I touch. So if anything, this is probably the most used plugin I ever have. And they have Soothe too, so check that out as well. But anyway, so hopefully this helps you out. If it did, remember to hit like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And down in the description is a link to purchase this as well. It helps me out if you go through the link. It doesn't cost you any more. And also DistroKid information down below. So I'll catch you on the next one. Peace out.